Hi and welcome. My name's Rob Scott from UC Today, and in this session, we'll be discussing anywhere work and how you can best prepare your business for the new world of work. And to help explore this topic, I'm joined by Christophe Chapiot, Business Development Director at Alcatel-Lucent. Hi, Christophe. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Rob, for having me here. How are you?
I'm very good. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, why don't we start with a quick introduction? Tell me a little bit about who you are, first of all, and maybe a little bit about Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise.
Sure. I'm Christophe Japiot. I'm in charge of the business development of all the communication and collaboration portfolio from Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise. Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise, also known as AELI, is where everything connects for all businesses and government organizations. Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise offers enterprise network, communication solutions, and collaboration services. These solutions are available on site and from the cloud. And we have a strong focus on verticals, so we provide as well customization per vertical. AELI, as you can hear from my accent, is a French company. It's a French company with a tradition of innovation for more than 100 years. And we are proud today to have over 800,000 customers on the 5 continents.
Fantastic. Thank you for that. And to kick today's session off, we're going to talk about anywhere work. And I'm keen to explore, first of all, what you have seen from your perspective. What customer behaviors and trends have you identified at ALE?
Obviously, due to the pandemic, we saw a massive adoption in 2020 of our home working solutions. And because it meets the needs both for the employees and the companies, we are sure it will last. What we saw as well is that during the pandemic, many employees stayed on premises, such as frontline workers, nurses, logistics staff, because they couldn't do otherwise. And we saw that there was a real need for stronger communications with the employees working from home. Also, many employees are willing to come back to the office part of the time, so working from home will not be systematic. And for those who have already done it, they continue to use the new tools, the collaborations tools they've been provided, in addition to their office tools, such as the phone. They also realized what we see is that many employees also realize the benefits of the new usages beyond the border of the enterprise, because now they are using video and chat to stay in touch with customers and citizens in case of local governments. So what is the consequence today? As we speak, most of our customers are modernizing their existing communication systems by connecting them to the cloud for work from home solutions, video capabilities, and other SaaS integrations. So to answer your question, Rob, is anywhere work here to stay? It's definitely a yes. And AELI will connect anywhere workers wherever they are.
Fantastic. And I'm keen to explore some of the challenges as well, because as we've been talking about, the technology's been here for quite a while, but the cultural shift, getting the users to move to the cloud and use these tools is a real challenge. So, cultural versus technology. What do you think? What's the biggest challenge for organizations out there?
Cultural is a big shift because we saw that employee adoption is key for a successful transformation, and it implies to onboard all employees. We see most vendors answer with a unified workspace with everything in it. Such workspace does not meet all the needs of all user profiles. the one I just told about, mobile staff, frontline workers, nurses, caregivers. This unified workspace is not really adapted to help them perform their day-to-day task. So for me, that's a challenge. And to illustrate that, I have in mind a group of hospitals in France. It's a large group of hospitals of 9,000 employees. It's an highly customers. And they wanted to improve during the crisis the communication and response time between mobile caregivers and administrative staff that was working remotely. Caregivers were using smartphone or DECT sets, and the administrative staff was using Teams. To enable stronger communication and response time between all the employees, we have provided, thanks to our Rainbow technology, a bridge between frontline and remote users with enterprise-grade communication that were enabled on their device of choice, whether it's a PC, handset phone, or mobile. I have another example. It's a local government in Spain. This one, it's quite interesting because as everyone, they were surprised by the suddenness of the lockdown. But none of the employees had never worked before from home, and that was a challenge to ensure service continuity and work from home when you don't have the tools and we're not used to it. That's a big challenge. And to help them, we proposed to connect their PBX to the Rainbow Cloud. And Rainbow showed a great adoption among the all employees. They use it to actually recreate their office space, creating bubbles per office. They discovered also that video was easy to use, and they could use it with the needy citizens. For instance, they could continue staying in touch with the citizens through training sessions that they previously did on premises, and they are now doing online with Rainbow, despite the offices, clouds, and so on. And lately, I've been told that the employees are coming back to the office and they continue to use Rainbow every day as their phone companion. So that's for me the big thing. It's the cultural part, onboarding, considering all employees, whatever their profiles, makes the work from anywhere a great, the implementation of the work from anywhere a success. You asked me if it was a technological shift. Actually, I don't think so, because the technology has been there for some time now, and there are many vendors that provide solutions. I would say that today the main challenge is the budget, especially given the situation. But thanks to highly hybrid cloud technology, we can help our customers leverage and augment what they already have on a tight budget. And on the trend side, we see this year more and more customers who want to move their early assets to the cloud, which is made possible thanks to our OTEC and Rainbow offer.
Super. So just to summarize then, I mean, what's the best way to keep employees productive and efficient and connected in 2021?
Well, I think we have to take a look at 2020. What have we learned? First, employee matters. Employee voice matters. So before any change, listen to your employee and provide them the tools that fit their needs, tools they can use anywhere. It's also important to consider the adoption and to provide them tools that provide an immediate adoption. Next, I would say that siloed organization will have to evolve. They will have to break the silos between the different user profiles, between frontline workers and back office workers. It's crucial to connect all employees for faster and efficient interactions. Finally, well, you have to consider modernizing your communication systems. That's not something that you will delay. There is a need to do it now. We've seen that there was a crisis. There might be more. We are not yet out of the current one. So it's very important to modernize your communication system. But beware of two things. The first one is the vendor lockdown, the vendor lock-in, and also some costly rip and replace strategy. There are smart alternatives that help customers leverage what they have already purchased. They'll help keep their customer strategies and their user experience just augmented. So it's from my point of view, it's very important to keep what works well, especially today when we have a tight budget.
That's super. And just final question for me then today would be, just tell us a little bit about how you're helping your customers to move to these new technologies and this anywhere work environment.
Ailey offers strong employee adoptions with easy-to-use apps and phones for all user profiles. We offer also, that's the second point, a best-of-breed approach thanks to our Rainbow CPaaS capabilities that enable companies, businesses to connect everything. And also, it's been years and we are renowned for that. We always offer smooth transformation paths. In the case of cloud, you have options with Ailey. You can choose the hybrid cloud connectivity for an immediate impact and off-the-shelf application, or you can consider a transformation to a full cloud infrastructure, leveraging everything you already bought. To highlight that, there is a recent win we had. It's an extra large customer in France, a very large bank, that recently deployed 40,000 soft phones for work from home solution. Why did they choose that? They choose that because it's the customer, the end user adoption was immediate. It's as easy to use as a phone. But more importantly, it leverages their existing call routing strategies so that they can ensure when people are working at home that there is no lost calls from customers. They modernize the system in a private cloud and use our APIs for analytics to improve the maintenance, do some proactive maintenance, for automations to improve the management and provide user self-care portals. And they plan in the near future to integrate the business communication in their business apps. They will also consider deploying Rainbow in their private cloud because Rainbow has proven in 2020 to be a secure solution, and its openness make it really easier to adapt to their evolving needs.
Great, thank you. And for organizations looking to modernize their infrastructure, looking for anywhere work technology, what's the best way to find out more on this topic?
Actually, there is a great ebook that you can download. I think we'll put a link in the description below.
Absolutely, yeah, we certainly will do. Hey, Christophe, it's been really good talking to you today. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Rob.
And that's it from us. If you've enjoyed today's session, please do give us a quick like or a share on social media. It's always appreciated. I'm Rob Scott from UC Today. Thanks for watching.